Will it start? Texas Ice Storm edition. Right there, guys. So guys, it's around 24 degrees, 23 degrees here. And we're gonna try to see if this will crank over. This is a side-by-side, it's a Hisun. We picked up yesterday for $100 in Troy, Texas. Those seen the Instagram where we pulled the 16-foot trailer with the Ranger to pick it up because that's all we had. So today we're gonna try to start it. So stay tuned, guys. All right, we're gonna put some jump box to it and see if we can get her to crank. Here, I had to get up here. Hopefully, I don't fall on my butt. All right. Holy crap! It is cold.
That'd be some real content,
right? I think we gotta have the
keys right here.
Oh, that's the wrong one. Jeez. Yep, we're gonna have to hook it up with the truck. Alright guys, we decided to go ahead and move it closer to the shop. So we're gonna drive through this ice. Oh, watch out right here. This is where you might slide into the pole. Oh!
It's gonna keep on going.
Woo! I wanna get the four-wheeler out.
Alright.
You did it.
I made it this far now.
Ah, I forgot the four-wheeler keys in the house.
No, that's not good.
Alright guys, we're gonna take these heavy welding cable made jumper cables, hooked to the truck, hooked to that, and hopefully we can crank it. Actually, I'm gonna go over here and get some ether. Alright, hooking her up. Get back up here again.
Alright. Probably gotta hit the brake on this one.
Recheck your wires.
I'm running your connection off.
Yeah, you ain't your connection here.
Try it. And then you gotta hold your foot on the gas. I mean, brake.
Oh.
Let it charge for a second.
Yeah, let's charge. All right, guys, we've got some little bit of ether. We're gonna spray back in the cleaner. Or out back in the air cleaner, and now we're gonna see if she'll. So far, nothing.
Hold on. It's so deep in there. Hold on.
Yeah, you might have to spray more wide. We might have to take the lid off.
You ready?
Oh! All right, we gotta stop. We're melting wires. This code cranking. We're melting. No, that's just the ice melting. Okay. All right. It cranked over, guys. Probably just a carburetor issue. So what? So the story is, let me get off here and I'll tell you. So the story is the people got COVID last year, and then it's set since last year. They took it to a mechanic. The mechanic told him that he couldn't fix it, but he would buy it from them. So we bought it from him for $100. So I think it's just carburetor issues, probably most likely just carburetor issue setting. When it warms up, maybe next week we will fool around with it a little bit more and see if she will run fully. So stay tuned guys for that. Thanks everybody for watching. See y'all next time in the shop.